Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform any set of press-ons. I'm using this set that was literally $1 and purchased from TEMU. I'll have all the links to it down below. But when doing press-on nails and using this method, you just want to make sure your press-ons are a transparent type of press-on nail, something that's super thin, like, you know, kind of cheap, not something that's a dark polish like a dark brown or a black polish, because this method won't work. So I'm going in with these translucent pinkish kind of ombre styled nails. I absolutely love these nails because they have a really nice C curve to them. Even though they're super thin, they're just the perfect base to build on, which is what we're going to be doing in this video to give them an acrylic fresh full set look. So now all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So for application, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. You guys have seen me use this product a billion times and I absolutely love it. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop and I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. But I'm going in and just applying a pea-sized amount to my full or to my press-on nail, and then just applying that on there. You can be super messy with this. You just want to make sure that if you do have any solid nail tip glue gel that oozes around the cuticles, you remove that before you cure. But you can be super messy with this product. Don't worry about the line deviation between where your solid nail tip glue gel starts and stops. You can cure for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. And also to eliminate the time that my hand is in and out of that UV lamp, I apply 4 nails at a time and cure, and then you always want to make sure to do your thumbs separately. So I'm going to go ahead and apply all of these nails and I'll be back. So after you finish applying all of your nails, now we're going to go in and do some shaping. I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file. This is available for purchase off of Amazon. I'll be sure to have the link to this down below. But I'm just going in and doing some light shaping. If you have any of that solid nail tip glue gel that you weren't able to get before carrying in that UV lamp, you can go in with a pair of cuticle nippers like I'm doing here. It's just easier to go in with these and clip that away, and then just go in with your file and shape your nails. So now I'm just going in with a cuticle nipper and just kind of cleaning up my cuticle area. After dusting all of that off, I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I'm just wiping down my nails before we apply our rubber base coat. And I'm using this polish by, I believe the brand is called Emily. This is off of Amazon, but I'm going in with a milky white base coat. Well, this is a milky white. People can call them rubber base coats, rubber gel polishes, or I believe they call this their builder base. So I'm going in with this milky white shade. This comes in a set of 5, and it's one of my favorites. It's really pretty neutral pinks and this really pretty milky white shade that I love, so I'll be sure to have the link to this down below. It's super inexpensive, but I'm just going in and applying a somewhat thick layer of this to my nails. So what this is going to do is not only help thicken up your nails and give you a strong nail, since the false nail tips we're using are super thin and super cheap, but it's also just going to help blend your nails, give them a really nice sleek ombre look without doing all of the work of using an airbrush machine or even an ombre sponge. And it's also just going to help blend that whole nail and make you have a seamless cuticle, and also help blend that nail line deviation between where your solid nail tip glue gel starts and stops. So the last step is using a no wipe top coat. This one is a sample that I got. Last step is cuticle oil. This is a cuticle oil from my Etsy shop. I'm currently all sold out, but they will be back in stock shortly. But here is the final design. Super cute and super easy. This is perfect if you need your nails to be done as soon as possible, but you're limited on time. I always use pre-made press on nails whenever I'm in a crunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next one. Bye!